Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2025 Honda Civic Sport in Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup cameras, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, remote start, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10993A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.